I look out of the window. I listen to the city sounds. I get off at my stop. I walk the rest of the way. I arrive at work. I say hello to my coworkers. I check my emails. I start my computer. I type on the keyboard. I answer some messages. I talk to my boss. I take a short break. I drink a cup of tea. I go back to my desk. I look at the clock. I go to the cafeteria. I choose a simple meal. I sit with my friend. I enjoy our conversation. I eat my lunch slowly. I take a small dessert. I finish eating. I throw away my trash. I wash my hands. I walk back to my desk. I work for a few more hours. I answer phone calls. I take a brief tea break. I stretch my legs. I breathe in deeply. I walk towards the bus stop. I see the bus coming. I pay for my ticket. I find a seat near the window. I watch people passing by. I get off at my stop. I decide to go shopping. I enter the supermarket. I take a shopping cart. I pick fresh fruits. I choose some vegetables. I place items in the cart. I check my shopping list. I go to the bakery section. I pick some bread. I grab a carton of milk. I head to the checkout. I place my items on the counter. I greet the cashier. I pay with cash.